How to change region on WeChat. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change region on WeChat. For that, open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page of your WeChat application, here at the bottom you will find various icons. Click on that Me icon at the right button below. Then you will reach to this page. Here click on that arrow next to your QR code. By clicking on this arrow, you will be guided to your profile information page. Here you will see more info option just below my QR code option. Click on it. And under this, you will find 3 different options. At the second, you will see region. Click on that arrow to go to the region section. And from here you can change your region. Scroll down and find the one you're looking for. Once you get it, click on it and there you go. You have successfully changed region on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.